Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our second video of our C++ beginner level interview question tutorial series. In previous video we discussed the basic definition of C++ language and saw some different data types that offers by C++, and we also grabbed some concept of OOP and POP languages and saw their differences. Now in this video we will continue our discussion on different interview questions. So our third question is define std. Now this std is very important in C++. So std is also known as standard, or it can be interpreted as namespace. Like we say std standard namespace. So there are two main points here. One is standard and other is namespace. The common using namespace std. So we refer as using namespace std. It write in same line. Further in this tutorial we will see an example where I will show you how to write this namespace std. So it informs the compiler to add everything under std namespace, and it calculate them in global namespace scope. This all in calculation of global namespace benefit use cout and cin without using std operator. So if we do not define using namespace std in top of our code, for every cin and cout operation we have to use this std operator before writing cin and cout. Now let us take a deep look into std and see some examples. So first we will look the need of namespace. As the same name can be given to multiple variable, function and classes in the same scope. So we can't have two function, two variable or two classes having the same name. So to overcome this situation, namespace was introduced. So let us take a look at our first program. Below in C++ program illustrate the use of namespace with the same name of function and variables. So let's take a look at this simple program that will clear your concept of namespace. So C++ program to illustrate the use of namespace with the same name of function and variable. So it has a simple C++ template. So we first define our include IOStream, which means this function can perform, or this piece of code can perform input and output operation. Then we have our using namespace std. As I told you, all of these things are written in the same line. Then we define our first namespace, which is n1, and inside of this namespace we have a variable of integer type having value 2, and then we have the function to display message for namespace n1. So this function is void fun. Inside of this we display a simple message which is this is function of n1. And second we have our second namespace, inside of which we also have a variable of integer type, and the name of variable is x and the value of variable is 5. Then we have the function to display the message for namespace, and the name of function is also fun. So basically we have two function with same name. First function, name of first function was fun, and the name of second function is also fun, fun. Then inside of this we are also displaying a message. This is fun of n2, mean it is the function of n2 namespace variable. Then we have our main driver code, which is main. So